Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the right eBay shopping app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you wish to get the right eBay shopping app, then you need to go to this Google Play Store app if you are on any Android smartphone, or go to App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Play Store, and you want to go to this search or activate search. If you can see the search bar, to search for your app by name. So just type eBay like that and run my search. Now you can see we have eBay online shopping app here. You need to tap on it to see more details, because there might be some imitations that might be confusing, and you want to know that you are downloading the right app. So make sure it is from eBay mobile. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.7 with over 4 million reviews. So this app is widely used and it has widely been reviewed. At the time of recording this app had over 100 million downloads, and it has an average file size of around 54 MBs. If you see all these details, you will know that you have the right app. To install the app, just tap on install, and this will download the latest version of eBay online shopping app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can open it straight from here, or if you go back to your apps and open them, now you should be able to see eBay online shopping app here. If you open it, this is the welcoming interface. From here, you can now create your account, or if you already have an existing account, you can just log in to start your online shopping experience. So that's how you can install the right eBay shopping app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.